Hi, this is the second recipe I am posting in the state edition of Jammu and Kashmir. As you all know, I will be posting delicacies of Jammu and Kashmir all this month. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel because I need more motivation from you all. So today we are going to cook Dogri authentic cuisine Dal Ambal, which is the combination eaten with rice. Dogri community are from Jammu and this recipe was passed on to me by Charu Malhotra, who is a Jammu girl. Charu is Rakhi sister to my husband. So on every Raksha Bandhan day, she used to come home with her brother Yogesh. She used to bring sweets and gifts for us. She also used to cook her authentic dishes for us like rajma, paneer, pulao, dum aloo. We all used to relish this together and enjoy. Thank you so much Charu and Yogesh for all the love. And thank you for this recipe. Let us all cook this and experience this staple from Jammu. Let's start cooking. Let's begin by making dal. Add mustard oil in the pressure cooker. Let the mustard oil come to the smoking point. As you can see here, the oil has become very hot. I have switched off the flame. Let's bring down the temperature of the oil and then add onion, garlic, ginger, tomatoes. Remember, we have not turned on the flame yet. Add bay leaves, fennel seeds, Kashmiri chili powder, fennel powder, turmeric powder. Now let's switch on the flame and start sauteing this. We'll saute this for a minute and then add salt. We'll saute all this on medium flame for 5 minutes. Now let's add washed split chickpea, that is chana dal. Add water. Give it all a good mix. We are going to cover this and pressure cook for 5 to 6 whistles on medium flame. By the time this cooks, let's cook the other delicacy. I have taken 800 grams of pumpkin. After I peel, clean and cut this, it will weigh around 550 grams. We'll have to remove the middle soft part of the pumpkin. As you can see here, I have removed it. And then dice it into 2-inch pieces. Heat up the cooking pot and add mustard oil. We'll wait for the mustard oil to boil. Now switch off the flame and I'm bringing down the temperature of the oil. After the oil has cooled down, we'll be adding fenugreek seeds. Now switch on the flame. We are going to cook this fenugreek on lowest flame we have. We'll wait for it to turn red. Fenugreek should not be cooked on high flame as it burns and it will give bitter taste. Nor should it undercook. It just has to turn red and not black. As you can see here, the fenugreek has started to crackle. Now it's time to add other ingredients. Let's add cumin seeds, dry chilies, quarter spoon of asafoetida, and then we'll add diced and washed pumpkin. We are going to saute this for a minute on medium flame. Add Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and we are going to saute this for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, let's add half cup water. Give it all a good mix, and we are going to cook this on low flame for 20 minutes. Now let's check our dal which we cooked in pressure cooker. Oh, it smells so good. Heat up the pot and then switch off the flame. Let's add ghee to the pot. We'll let the ghee melt properly. Whenever we are cooking in ghee, remember we should never bring it to boiling point. Now switch the flame on low, and we'll add cumin, asafoetida, drop in few dry red chilies. Remember we are cooking this on low flame, and when the cumin starts to crackle, let's add the dal we cooked. This Dogri dal is so delicious and flavorful. You'll know when you make this yourself. Let's add water now. You can eat this dal with rice or roti, but it goes best with rice. Let's check for the salt now, and it's perfect. We are going to cover and cook this dal for about 15 minutes on medium flame. While our dal is cooking, let's check ambal. Here is the ambal pot. It has been cooking for 20 minutes on low flame. Let's mix this very gently. Let's check if the pumpkin is cooked. It's perfectly done, as you can see here. At this point, we'll add jaggery and mix this very gently. After mixing jaggery, we are adding tamarind pulp. Mix this all well, and now we are going to cook this till the gravy dries up. This is the consistency we wanted for ambal. It's perfectly done now. This recipe tastes best when it's slow cooked in pot. So never cook this in pressure cooker. Let me plate it for you. This is Kashmiri authentic ambal. Let's check dal now. Oh, it's perfect. Let me plate this also for you. Let me tell you, this is one of the most satisfying combination you'll eat. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Remember me in your prayers, and thank you so much for watching.